It's a monsoon afternoon. We were heading towards Sohra to experience the rain in the wettest place on earth. Sohra, otherwise called Cherrapunji, encountered its stormy season among June and September. During these months, the cascades are in the full brilliance because of the bountiful precipitation got in the locale. The name Meghalaya comes from Megh, which means mist, and Alaya, and that signifies a dwelling place. The resident of clouds getting the most measure of normal precipitation on the planet. We pack our bags and raincoats while we prepare for a wet and wild excursion. We reached the Abode of Clouds resort. Driving into the resort, it was misty day. Sohra has frequently been credited just like the wettest on the planet, yet presently closed by Mawsynram, holds that qualification. Sohra actually holds the unsurpassed record for the most precipitation in a scheduled month and in a year, be that as it may. We were told a few days before our visit, it pouring here over time, thus visiting the rainstorm have an effect. The response is indeed, it does. Rainstorm enchantment spices up the town with spilling over cascades and lakes, cold climate, verdant slopes and various little streams. Indeed, wonderful experience. As we drove on the road, the mist covered the whole surrounding and compelled our driver to beam the headlight and signals of the vehicle as if it is in the night time. Look at the mist down up to the wheels of the vehicle. We prepare for a wet and wild excursion into the lavish green wilderness of Meghalaya. We headed down towards Shella. Halfway we turned towards right and found this beautiful park where there is a natural swimming pool and waterfalls with forceful pressure gushing down in the invisible gorges, the clouds lingering down, seeing no end of the gorges. In spite of gushing down waterfalls and streams, we couldn't even view the enchanting waterfalls as the clouds covered the whole atmosphere. We could hear only the roaring waterfalls and streams. The rain was not showered as expected. The mist surrounded us, precipitation scattered on our head. The water in the streams dash into the gorges and disappear in the mist dancing below the waterfall. As we strolled around, we could see nothing but the foggy trees and we could hear the roaring river and waterfalls. But we could feel the gentleness and soft whispering of the nature. Looking at the place around, white place and gentle nature. At one glance, it's really feel romantic in our heart as the mist scattered the whole atmosphere, the drizzle rain on our hair, and the overcast skies above us. Time will not let us do whatever we want. We return back and left behind the refreshing and soothing atmosphere.